Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today here with Fredo. You know YouTube always a black my Fredo video them. YouTube, man, big up black that one, please. I'm big up black that one. Anyway, Fredo with a song called Dave Flow. Big up Dave. Santan. Big up the whole UK scene, man. Big up the whole UK scene. I haven't been reacting to a lot of UK songs because YouTube keep blocking them. Like, I don't know why. YouTube just block my shit every day, dog. Like, YouTube, big up on yourself, team. I still love on the still, you know? Still love on the big up on yourself. Anyway, let's jump in the one and you're the G. Let's go! This look like a Dubai or something. Let's watch him there. I see. Call him the weatherman.
Only the Lord knows all my reasons why them niggas need to die. Tears need to leave my eyes till I come.
On a deep, as expected. Fredo's a boss, bro. Like, Fredo's a boss. Hate him or love him or hate him. Fredo's a boss. There. Come on, man.
Only the Lord knows all my reasons why them niggas need to die. Tears need to leave my eyes, still I can't seem to cry. Still chasing money, I guarantee it. Went from sofa surfing to surfing yachts in the Caribbean. Got millions chilling in the bank while I'm still chilling with the gang. Gambling.
Millions in the bank chilling while I got millions chilling in the bank while I'm still chilling with the gang. Like, come on, like, not change, money not change. We run here, so we know where we are forward from, so we know where we are go.
To surfing yachts in the Caribbean, got millions chilling in the bank while I'm still chilling with the gang. Gambling all night, smoking, eating chicken with my hands. My youngin' selling chickens, still living with his grand. Free my niggas in the can, swear it'll be different when you land. I got that Lizzie, if you need some, run it up off a clean run. Got hantings and machine guns, my press machine seen tons. So much dirt on my hands, no.
Jeez, I really did flow this with you, dog. This sick.
Free my niggas in the can, swear it'll be different when you land. I got that Lizzie, if you need some, run it up off a clean run. Got hantings and machine guns, my press machine seen tons. So much dirt on my hands, no matter how much soap I use, it still wouldn't clean some.
So much dirt upon my hands, no matter how much soap me use, still wouldn't clean some. Yo, really did flow with you. That, like, this track have a title, dog. Like, come on.
Probably wouldn't clean none. Girls and labels didn't care, now they calling the same phone. Now I can
Girls on the, what I'm saying?
clean some. Probably wouldn't clean none. Girls and labels didn't care, now they calling the same phone.
Girls on label call the same phone. Like, come on, like. And if you wasn't the man who you are now, labels would not call you, brother. Remember, you had your thing independent. You've been doing your thing independent. And some of them girls, them just there for the clout, dog. Them just say, yo, I'm right now, I'm here for Fredo. Right. That the girl them want to say, no. So you don't know the G head level. The man know what I'm doing.
I can make a call, get you corned on the main road. I call this my Dave Flow.
You got Dave.
Got a brown girl with bread, I call her my Dage Low. She's intelligent, 100,000 was a dream, now we're calling that a stage show. I'm a
100,000 was a dream, now I call it a stage show. 100,000 a stage show. Pound, not US, pounds.
I call her my Dage Low. She's intelligent, 100,000 was a dream, now we're calling that a stage show. I'm a veteran. Name a nigga living how I'm living, I ain't better than. Had to take a break, now I got new stories, I'm telling them like.
Man say I have to take a break, now I have new story I tell them. I'm pausing a lot, you know why I'm pausing a lot? Because YouTube will block the video, so if me pause it under 10 seconds, YouTube now go block it. If them not find on, me probably gone over 10 seconds long time ago, but you don't know. Yeah.
How Dave lost 63,000 on a bet with me, now I bet you that he won't never bet with Fred again.
Dave lost 63,000. Dave, we had the brother. What on a bet pan? What on a bet pan for Dave lose 63,000? That would be good to know.
I'm a nigga living how I'm living, I ain't better than. Had to take a break, now I got new stories, I'm telling them. Like how Dave lost 63,000 on a bet with me, now I bet you that he won't never bet with Fred again.
And 63,000 come like nothing to them, man. Them man say, yo, fuck it, let me get your money here, man. Cause I know what, you see me? I wonder for the World Cup, them bet pan are what them bet pan like? Somebody leave in the comment section if you know what these guys betted on.
Pretty girl with me, she looks heaven sent. But after all the stuff done, I'm trying to see if I can get in heaven as a +1. Cause Lord knows on earth, all my feelings and my love's done. It's like I only love mum, my little princess, and I love guns.
Him only love mom, him little princess, and him love gun. Yeah, that's about right.
All my feelings and my love's done. It's like I only love mum, my little princess, and I love guns. I love my niggas too. too, but I don't trust none.
Yeah. Remember, say Popcorn don't tell you no. Hold that. Thing there. Man say, yo, me love my family, but me not trust none of them. Remember, say Popcorn don't tell you that in the dark. So, you don't know, say, isn't it? Yeah, that's the thing there.
I love mom, my little princess, and I love guns. I love my niggas too, but I don't trust none. The same goes for hoes, so it's just fun. Counting up 100 cash, like look at what this stuff's done. Yeah, that tour life's risky, it ain't just fun. The second that the bus comes, fuck a PlayStation, I'm trying to see where we can stuff guns.
Fuck a PlayStation and try and see where you can stuff gun. Then him say tour life is not just fun, like it's risky for true.
Ain't just fun. The second that the bus comes, fuck a PlayStation, I'm trying to see where we can stuff guns. All I wanted to make was 100k just once. Now I got that money in just dunks, and that's work to kick game. Now I'm working on the whip game. Was pulling up and beating whips to whip cane. Now the way the Lambo pulls off.
Him say he was pulling up and beating whips. Hold on.
Now I'm working on the whip game. Was pulling up and beating whips to whip cane. Now the way the Lambo
pull up and beat whips to whips. Okay. I think I get what he's saying there. So he means to pull up and beat whips, like beat shots. That's what I call whips in the UK. Pull up and beat whips. What do you mean this?
Pulls off and whips could really make a chick claim. Neck pains and back pains, I got them same pains from all these mad chains. They say the sun.
Neck pain and back pain, them got them same pain from the chain and memory. I train them heavy, so you don't know them real too. Them not fake, them real.
Really make a chick claim. Neck pains and back pains, I got them same pains from all these mad chains. They say the sun don't feel so good if you ain't had rain, and they say the fun don't feel so good if you ain't had pain. Damn, I'm living in a game where they'll do anything to have fame. If you ask me, it's a damn shame, but you're part of my campaign. And ask for any favor, every answer's been a damn same.
Yeah. You know, ask for any favor. Every act has been damn same.
Damn shame, but you're part of my campaign. And ask for any favor, every answer's been a damn same. They ask how I made it here, the answer is I had brain. Now it's first class flights, and they ask if you want champagne.
Oh, you make it just a Fredo. Smart. Think with my head, not with my dick. Yeah. First class flight, not with the pan. Them ask if I want champagne. Of course.
Before they ask a man's name, gotten used to this life, and gotten used to useless youths giving me useless advice on what to do with my life. I'm in this foreign car, used to just be trains and circle. The G-Wagon cost me 150, I named it Herbo.
The G-Wagon cost him 150, name it Herbo. What is the significance between Herbo and the 150? Someone leave in the comment section. I'm last to that one there. But the G-Wagon 150, oh, that's nice.
Just be trains and circle. The G-Wagon cost me 150, I named it Herbo. Off the lot of white, it weren't the same as Virgil, more like the same as Purcell. Yo, it's funny how it's never the truth. They hit the booth and go and change the virgin, like how them girls look good on the gram but not the same in person.
Catfish. Filter. Catfish. Oh, your girl look good on the gram but not the same in person. Filters. Tricking us. Catfishing us.
They hit the booth and go and change the virgin, like how them girls look good on the gram but not the same in person. But I'm rich on the gram and the same in person. Got curvy models down in Spain and the same in German. Told
got curvy models in Spain. I see that girl in every day. I go, and the same in German.
Rich on the gram and the same in person. Got curvy models down in Spain and the same. Same in German. Told her I can't spend a night, I gotta stay determined. But I love to spend money, that's my bae for certain. Yeah, I still remember every night and day of working. Probably why I ain't got my bae a Birkin. Yeah, they
full of chain enough. Must have enough chain in the dog. A bit different chain me I see in the video, dog.
Judge me off my videos but don't know me, so let's make it certain. You can't be my bae if you've even done a day of twerking. Niggas broke but chasing hoes, that shit makes me nervous. If I never made no peas, I would've stayed a virgin. Pussies keep going back, yeah they stay reversing. I level.
If I never made no peas, I would've stayed a virgin. Pussy keeps going back. Yo, Fredo body no dog. Read the day floor. Fredo body no.
Made no peas, I would've stayed a virgin. Pussies keep going back, yeah they stay reversing. I leveled up about 6 times, it's my favorite version. My favorite person.
So level up 6 times. Now I'm favorite person in Depan right now. Yo, in bad. Like Fredo. Like, come on, bro. Like, this is Fredo we're talking about, brother. Fredo is. This is rap. This is rap. This is rap. Like, no, yeah. No gimmicks, no cloud chasing, no samples. No. This is rap, bro. Like, this is fucking rap, bro. Yeah, dog. And the G level up. And Fredo, your growth has been amazing, dog. Like, your growth has been amazing, bro. Yeah, bars, bro. Bars. Like I said, they flow for true. Yo, me not have much to say. Me not have much to say because the song speaks for itself, the video speaks for itself. We see Fredo in it doing amazing. Look up yourself, Fredo. Look up a fuck yourself, my G. So I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more from the G. If you don't want to see more UK stuff back on the channel, let me know so we can start reacting to some more UK stuff. But since YouTube are playing silly buggers, we just kind of just easier for the UK stuff and start doing Jamaican stuff as much. You see me? So I'm gonna leave that one still. If you don't want to see more, let me know and we'll drop them. You see me? Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. For real. Peace.